Alright, so ready for the next question? The next question is based on simultaneous linear equations where we are talking about parallel lines, overlapping lines and intersecting lines and its conditions. So here's the question for you. Come on, pick the correct option. Alright, so here you have two linear equations, 3x plus y equals to 3 and 6x plus ky equals to 8. Now let us write these in standard form. Everyone carefully see. The standard form is 3x plus y minus 3 equals to 0. Alright, and this one if we write it will be 6x plus ky minus 8 equals to 0. Now listen, the first equation is compared to the equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, and the second equation is, come on, it's common sense, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. So here we have three cases. Alright, let's have a quick look at the three conditions. Condition 1, intersecting lines. Alright, intersecting lines, the condition is a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. Now intersecting line means unique solution. Alright, now next thing, if we have parallel lines, have a look, parallel lines. Parallel lines, the condition is a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2, which makes the line parallel, but this is not equal to c1 upon c2 because here we do not have a single solution. So this is the condition for no solution, and we also say that this is where the system of equations are inconsistent. Okay, next option, when the two lines they overlap each other. Okay, so when the two lines overlap each other, then the condition is a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. In this case also, the system of equations is consistent and it has infinitely many solutions. This is the condition where it says it does not have any solution. That means the lines must be parallel, they are not meeting anywhere. So what's the condition used? The condition used is a1 upon a2 should be equal to b1 upon b2 should not be equal to c1 upon c2. So see carefully, what is a1? Let's just quickly write the results. So let's quickly put the values. a1 is 3 upon a2, 6 should be equal to, that is b1. Now b1 there is no coefficient, that means the coefficient is 1. Value of b2, that is k, and it should not be equal to minus 3 upon minus 8. So obviously this is not equal to minus 3 by minus 8, hardly matters. 3 upon 6 is equal to 1 upon k. If you solve this, k is simply equal to 6 by 3, that is 2. So what's your answer? Your answer is k is equal to 2. Okay. Next one is a direct, straightforward question. Come on, let's do it quick. This question is about chairs and tables. So we should say, let the cost of one chair be X. And then you should mention let the cost of one table be y. Okay, so the expression is very easy. 3 times the cost of a chair plus 1 time the cost of a table. So sometimes it's not necessary to write the 1 here, and this is total 1500. The next part of the question says 6 times the chairs plus 1 table, they cost 2400. This is exactly what they have asked for. This is the solution. They did not ask us to solve. Alright, so now you have the question on your screen and you have to select among these 4 options. Alright, let's quickly try to see the question. The first term of this AP is 27, and the common difference, what happens is the AP is going from 27 to 24. The common difference, come on everyone, common difference is -3. Keep giving me the answers, that helps us connect to the problem better. Alright, so you can speak out the answers. It's perfectly alright. Now, it's 27, common difference is -3. So what is the nth term of the AP? So there is a formula for the nth term of the AP, that is AN is equal to A, which is the first term, plus n minus 1 D. So let me quickly explain. AN is what? It is the nth term, AN. Some people represent AN with TN also. So the formula is same whether you take AN or TN. So TN is the nth term, A is the first term, N is the total number of terms, and this time in this question we need to find N and D. So D is the common difference. Let's start putting the values here in this question. Okay, so come on, what is the nth term? They themselves in the question have asked 0 is which term of the AP? Alright, which term of this AP is 0? So that means 0 must already be there. If I tell you that go and get my phone from my car, that means my phone is already in the car. I have told you to get it. So since they are saying find 0 is which term, that is a confirmation that 0 is already a term of the AP. I did not say go and see whether my phone is in the car or not. I said go and get it from the car. There is a difference. So they did not say tell whether 0 is a term of the AP. They said which term it is. That means it's already there. So I'm going to use 0 as this term. First term you already know. Come on, 27. Very good. What is the nth term? I don't know that. I want to find. You want to find? I've just put the formula. Nothing else we have to accept. What do you do with the common difference? You know the common difference is -3. Since the 0 is here, I suggest let us bring the whole thing here. So I am going to multiply also. -3 into n will be -3n. But since I brought it to this side of the 0, the sign changes. And -3 into -1 is already 3. Since it comes to this side, it will become -3. Alright, once again, -3 into -1 is +3. Once we change the sign, we bring it to this side, the sign changes. Now, we already have 27 that side. That means 3n is equal to 30. Implies what? There are how many terms in this AP? 10th term. Okay, a very simple solution. That's the answer. The next question which we have here is a very direct formula based question of arithmetic progression. So take your time, read the question, pick the correct option, and as we have said before, you can pause the video and solve it before you see the solution. This is a very simple formula based question of arithmetic progression, and they have not mentioned the first term. So I say it is not known to us. Now this is a decreasing arithmetic progression because the common difference is -4, so the terms are going down. So the first term must be a bigger number, and as we move, the terms they reduce. Now there are 7 terms. We are aware that there are 7 terms in this progression, and the last term of these 7 terms is 4. So let's use the simple formula, that is the nth term is equal to the first term plus n minus 1 d. Okay, now we know the nth term, which is 4. I am not aware of the first term, but I know there are 7 terms and the difference is -4. Just solve this expression. This is 4. I am going to do a quick calculation here. A plus 7 minus 4. Now let me do this step directly. You all know 7 minus 4 is 6. 6 into 4, 24. But this is not plus 24, it is minus 24. So here we can say 4 is equal to A minus 24. So A is actually what? 4 plus 24, that is 28. Okay, so 28 is the correct answer. Alright, for the next question, use the knowledge related to the values and relation of discriminant in these questions. Okay, so try to solve this question. The question is right here for you. Try to solve this and let's see if you get the correct answer. Okay, so they want us to find the value of k for which this equation has real and equal roots. The condition is equal roots. Okay, so come on, let's solve it together. Okay, you tell me what is the value of a. Good, a is 9. What is the value of b? Now you have to respond fast. The value of b is 6k. Very good. What is the value of c? Okay, that's perfect. For you to recollect, what is discriminant? That's nice. B square minus 4ac. Now what is the condition for the discriminant? That it should have equal roots. The equation should have equal roots. Think about it. The condition is the discriminant should be equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, we will have real and equal roots. Now let's just put the value. There is nothing to be done. Just put the value 6k the whole square minus 4. A is 9 and C is another 4. Alright, so people try to multiply the whole thing. I don't think it is necessary. Just square this. It is 36k square and take all these numbers to that side. 9 into 4, it's 36 times 4. So you see, we've got arrangements for this 36. This will simply cancel and we will get the value of k square be equal to 4. Okay, what does this mean? This means k is under root of 4. That means k is either equal to 2 or a negative 2. The value of k is 2 or negative 2. Easy question. I believe you must have understood, right? Okay, so thank you everyone for watching this video. To gain a lot, you must take our quiz, which we have designed especially for you based on the questions of this video. The quiz link is there in the description of this video. So go to the description and click on the link and give the quiz definitely.